Alright, so we gotta survive on top of this tree for a month. What's the plan, Taru?
Why am I doing the planning? It's your exam too, Kumi.
Yeah, but making plans is your thing. I'm the improviser.
You've got to build shelter, find food, harvest a reliable water source.
Ugh, sounds boring. I'm gonna go look at the geysers.
Be careful. If we fall off the tree, we fail the exam.
Calm down. I'm a shadow warrior too, remember?
Just wish they let us bring a tent or something. Huh? Whoa! Kumi, what did I just tell you?
What the? Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Come over here. Slowly.
Ha! We did it!
Whoa!
Ah!
Oof! Checkmark for finding shelter.
The next item was food, right?
You're lucky I planned for that.
We have to sproutcast our own food? Ugh, fine.
Concentrate on what you want the bulb to grow into. Your sprout casting is a bit rusty, I see. We could have let that grow.
But I was hungry.
Whoa!
Shh. If we don't move, maybe it won't attack us. Guess not. Shh.
Huh. Huh? Ah!
Gotcha. I'm kinda slipping though.
Then drop me. If we both fall off, we both fail the test. Ah!
Bad idea, unless you want to get boiled alive like Mr. Mantis Crab over there.
I can't think of anything else. Everything's happening too fast.
Then don't think. Just do the first thing that comes to mind. That's what I always do.
The first thing that comes to mind? These may be our only source of food, but we gotta try.
Wait, what did you say about food?
Concentrate on what you want the bulbs to grow into. Huh!
So how'd it feel to improvise?
Like committing a crime against nature. That actually smells pretty good.
What a day. How long does our exam last again?
A month, so at least 30 more days.
30?